Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day out today. We have something massively important that we need to talk about, and we're actually going to talk about your 2025. And so why am I sitting out here and talking about 2025 when it's only October of 2024? Well, I'll tell you why. In about 6 days, less than a week, there is the 90-day holiday profit push that is happening. We're kind of talking about how we're going to spend the next 90 days to lay the foundation and to lay the groundwork for a massive explosion in our businesses in 2025. All right, so how do we do that? Thankfully, we have a framework, we have guidance, we have mentorship, we have coaching, suggestions, daily tips all along the way so we don't have to come up with it ourselves. Now remember, if you're new here, I'm 55 years old and I have never ever thought that I would be doing anything with technology in my later years because I hated technology. I am sitting right here on a deck that I used to want to throw my laptop right off of because it would frustrate me so badly when I would have things go wrong that I couldn't figure out. I am a self-proclaimed technology hater, but I have learned to embrace it and I actually love it. And now I don't know what I would do without it because it is my jam. All right, hear me when I say that it is possible for you too. You can start an online business that is successful beyond belief. You can step into a role as leader, as boss, as CEO of your very own business. And I'm encouraging you to do it now sooner than later. Back in 2014, I'll have to look for sure, but that's when I started a blog. That was when I bought my first course on how to become a blogger. And a lot of it was so difficult that I couldn't even make it through that course. Never has it been easier than now. You can learn how to earn money in your first week. There is an actual module that is called Launch to Profit in 7 days. But that's not what we're talking about right now. What we're talking about right now is the 90-day holiday profit push, where we are going to learn how to earn $20K, $20,000 by the end of the year. And I have written down in my little notebook here all of the different things, the different topics that we're going to be learning in the next 90 days. And now is such a great time to be a part of it because you can learn all of these things. Listen to some of these things and how great they would be to learn. First of all, the goal is to help you make $20,000 by the end of the year. Okay, by the end of the year. How to set realistic, measurable, and financial goals to hit that $20,000. And then how do you reverse engineer that goal of $20,000 into daily and weekly income targets? You're going to learn how to establish a CEO mindset. You know, most people who start an online business, many of them quit because they don't have the CEO mindset. They compare themselves to others. They suffer through imposter syndrome. They feel like they're not worthy if they're not making instant money. Mindset is huge. How to establish a CEO mindset, how to leverage Instagram for holiday sales, creating engaging content that will build trust and highlight your holiday offers. When I say holiday offers, it even talks about preparing for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So I don't know what those offers are going to be, but that'll be fun to learn about those offers, right? Because how fun. How to use YouTube to build authority and drive sales. How to create engaging, value-driven YouTube content that converts viewers into paying customers. Everybody wants to know that. Why wouldn't you want to know that? We're in here for the business, right? How to tell your personal story to connect with your audience. Attraction marketing. Scaling your business for 2025 success stories and case studies. There's so much. Mindset mastery techniques to stay motivated and focused on daily targets. You guys, there's so much is coming down the pipeline in the next 90 days. And if you've ever even toyed with the idea of starting a business, you have to know that you are worthy. You are worthy, deserving, and capable. The only thing that's stopping you is you. For some reason, we get in our heads and we think, I could never do that. I could never go for it. I could never be the one. Well, I never thought that I would be one that has a tech job. I have a total tech job. I sell digital online education. That is what I do. And I am so happy to be in this space because there's more coming. You guys, there's more coming. I am selling the Legacy Builder program, but I'm not going to forever be selling that program. I'm going to be selling things of my own. I'm going to be doing things that I am passionate about. I'm going to be learning. And as I'm learning, I want you to learn too. And I am just linking arms with anybody who wants to go with me. So if this resonates with you, why not start now? Why not build a foundation for a successful 2025? If you've ever had a desire for something that you could be passionate about, for something that is all you and not working for someone else, working endless hours for somebody else, that's what I did. I was tired. It was exhausting and I wasn't getting paid what I was worth. I made the change and I'm inviting you to make a change, and I'm inviting you to get on and join the 90-day challenge with us. So how do you do that? Number one, you buy the program. You start going through it. You get things set up in the next couple of days is all it takes. It takes a day or two to connect your systems. Your website's already done. You do have to purchase a domain. A domain is like $12 a year. You purchase the program for $900, then you purchase the $12 a year domain, and then you're set to go. You connect your Stripe account, you connect your PayPal account so that you can take money. And then you just start plugging into the system. You'll be told on day one what to say. It's just authentically sharing what you're doing so that it's comfortable for everybody who's watching you. And it actually piques the interest, and people are starting to be attracted to what you're doing, and they want to see more, and they want to watch you, and they want to see what you're doing and see if they could picture themselves doing that. It's very, very comfortable. It is not pushy. That is how I saw my first sale on day 6. So I'm inviting you to join the challenge, join the 90-day challenge with us. Again, it starts in less than a week. I will be holding a special Zoom call just for the 12 people who join me in October. If there's more than that, that's great. We will talk about strategy. We'll talk about how I started, which really is just following the blueprint, but I can tell you some of the things that I did, some of the things that I learned. We can encourage each other. We can keep a little group chat going. Just help each other. When you think about the success that could be made, it's so exciting to me, and I really want to invite you on the journey. So if that's you, check out the link in my description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.